One of the greatest threats faced by the Iraqi security forces in the fight to regain Mosul has been car and truck bombs. And here you can see some that they've recovered from inside the city. And from the back, they look very much like ordinary suburban vehicles that you'd see on any street anywhere in the world. But it's only when you come round to the front that you can see their deadly intent. Here on the side, they've welded on heavy protection. That's so the security forces can't shoot out the tires. And when you look at the driver's seat, it's like a little tank inside. Of course, most of the vehicle will be packed with high explosives that the driver would detonate at some stage. Then you come around here and there is very heavy plating all over the car. You can see the windows, well, a window of reinforced glass so the driver can see, but everything else has been covered. And you look down here and you can see the deadly intent for which these vehicles are designed. We've seen them in our time at the front lines. What happens is the ISIL fighters drive towards the security forces, get as close as they can, and then detonate these vehicles. And they are very, very hard to stop. They're built like tanks. These ones, ordinary cars, and up here we've got some tractors. And then at the end of the line here you can see some really quite phenomenal, almost tanks basically. This one has a gun turret on the top. The one at the far end really designed to protect itself from all sorts of oncoming fire. And it's a sign of just how innovative the ISIL fighters have been as they've defended their positions in the city, and how hard it's been for Iraqi forces to take Mosul back. Tony Cheng, CGTN, Western Mosul.